Hey everybody, today on Henry's HowTos, I'm going to show you how to make Tunisian Shakshouka. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so we're going to start off with one brown onion. So slice through the middle. And all we want to do with our onion is chop it up. Now we want to try and go for a fine chop. And we want to bring across one red capsicum. Take off the stem. Cut down the middle. And you just want to take out the seeds. You don't have to take all of them out, but try to get as much as you can. And we'll slice through the middle again. And just like an onion, we just want to very finely chop it. Just like so. So we'll set that with our onion as well. Now next we'll need about 2 or 3 tomatoes. I'm going to use 2 large size ones. And just like our capsicum and onion, we want to chop our tomatoes. Alternatively, you can substitute with 2 cans of diced tomatoes, but I prefer to actually chop them myself. So you want to try and go fine like that as well. Now moving on, just into a pan on a medium heat, we're going to add about 2 or 3 tablespoons of olive oil. And we're going to add our onion and capsicum straight in. All we're going to do with our onion and capsicum is cook it on a low to medium heat. We want to slow cook these to get that caramel color. We don't want to fry and overcook it. So guys, take your time. It'll take you about 10 minutes. So once you start to get the nice brown color in your onion and capsicum, we're going to add in 1 garlic clove. And we just want to mix that through as well. We'll season with a pinch of salt. Half a teaspoon of ground cumin. About a teaspoon of ground paprika, some cracked pepper, and mix that through as well. Now we start to get a beautiful aroma. So we're going to add 1 big tablespoon of tomato paste, along with about 2 tablespoons of cold water. So what we're going to do now, guys, is add in our tomatoes. Mix that all through. And we want to simmer our tomato mixture for about another 10 minutes now. We just want to let all those flavors start to develop. Alright guys, so after about 5 or 10 minutes, once your tomatoes have softened up nicely, what we want to do is just spread it out so it's nice and flat. And at the same time, you want to lower your heat to low. So now you need to determine how many eggs you want to crack into it. In my case, I'm going to do 5, as I can fit like 1 here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's up to you. So before we actually crack our eggs in, just with the back of a spoon, just push down where you want to crack them. This will just make it easier to land. So all we're going to do, crack our egg straight in. Now guys, be careful you don't drop any shells. Once your eggs are in, we're just going to add just a touch of salt onto each one, and just a bit all over again, as well as some cracked pepper. Seasoning is very important. Now guys, just put a lid on. I'm just going to put another pan on top. Let that cook on a low heat for around about 10 minutes. We just want to very softly poach it. Okay guys, so it's been 10 minutes so far, so let's lift the lid and see how it looks. And just have a look at that. So as you can see guys, that's ready to be served. You don't want this egg to be too firm, it needs to be soft. So when you slice into it, it pretty much melts apart. So what I'm going to do at this stage is turn our heat off. I'm just going to place some fresh mint on top as a garnish. Feel free to add parsley, coriander, whatever you like. Alright guys, and that's ready to be served. So to serve, basically you want to pick up your egg like that and place it straight onto a plate. What we'll do first is we'll grab some of our sauce dough, place it on the bottom, our egg goes straight on top. Just look at that. And there we have it guys, that's how we make shakshouka. It's not a dish that was originally for breakfast surprisingly, it was actually a dinner dish. But obviously, breakfast, lunch, dinner, whenever you want it. I hope you like that guys, please like and subscribe. If you've got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom and I'll see you all next time.